Hello everyone, today I bring you an unboxing and review of the Lucky Miner LV06 mining machine, with the machine weighing approximately 0.5 kilograms including the packaging. Opening the package box, it contains a power adapter, a power cable, and the main unit. The Lucky Miner LV06 supports the SHA-256 algorithm, capable of mining up to 42 different cryptocurrencies, including BTC, BCH, BSV, DGB, and more. It is suitable for various mining modes such as SOLO, PPLNS, PPS, PROP, catering to the diverse needs of different miners. Next, let's proceed with the installation. Connect the power cable, connect to the wireless network, plug in the power, and turn on the switch. After powering on and configuring the settings, the mining machine operates normally. At a hash rate of 500 G, the power consumption is approximately 24 W, and the noise level is around 45 decibels, demonstrating excellent performance. How to set up the mining machine for normal operation. Enter the mining machine's backend settings interface, fill in the pool worker name, mining address, and save. Wait for about 10 minutes, and the mining machine's backend will display various parameters, including hash rate, online quantity, total hash rate, earnings, and more. In summary, the Lucky Miner LV06 is a versatile mining machine supporting the SHA-256 algorithm, capable of mining up to 42 different cryptocurrencies, including BTC, BCH, BSV, DGB, and more. It is suitable for various mining modes such as SOLO, PPLNS, PPS, PROP, catering to the diverse needs of different miners. Its comprehensive performance and versatility make it an ideal choice for miners. For more information about mining machines, mining pools, wallets, and checking earnings, please visit the Woyu official website.